Regardez ces paillages. Assalamu alaikum guys.
This is me, Fayal Hassan,
And this
I'm
is
with my
me,
friend.
Hassan Haider. Guys, how are you doing?
We are today we are working here. We are in France, the city Belfort, near to Germany and Switzerland. I'm working with Fayal. I'm working with Hassan Haider. You want to say something to people, Hassan?
Yeah, today it was our first day to come in the gym. So we are trying to hard. We are working very hard. So we hope we have a body some like muscle, you know. We talk normally we talk in French. That's why we can't speak English very well. So
Yeah,
you guys don't mind. We will share the value every value we will do. So yeah,
No,
introduce
I'm just
yourself.
I introduce ourselves.
What
we
are you
are,
doing
we are,
in France?
we are Pakistani boys. We are
Yeah.
we are
So
from
maybe
Para.
हम बात करेंगे.
We are from Parachinar, yes. And now we are talking with now we are talking in English because of few people. We want that every people in this world to understand our religious language. Or normally we speak French with each other between each other.
Yeah.
Hassan, you want to say something about what is our goal to
Our goal
meet
is
with you?
to give some idea to people to just bring this the love, don't hate, live in the peace. Yeah, so that's my
Yes,
message.
I'm
We
just
are all time positive, so
I'm agree with
I have
Hassan
nothing
Haider. I'm agree with Hassan Haider. Hassan Ali.
Hassan Haider, Hassan
Ali, it's normal. We are like brother. We are friends. We are here. We are everything, you know. And our message to you people, just don't make hits from each other. Just love, peace, and just our video will be just for laughing, you know. Acts laughing, arts laughing, you know, like the video from joking to show the nature of world, to show the beautiful place, to show everything like positive. Just think positive, and inshallah we will see you.
in the next vlog. So hope you
Assalamu
guys
alaikum.
like it.